Chase the money, chase the money, chase the money.
Her ass out, she going places that you can't. Call up a hoes and told them bring them out the sleigh. Fall, touch your toes, then I'm throwing 50K. Hey. Splash Brothers, whoa, we just landed in the bay.
So right now, what I'm doing is a chain check. So, just to make sure I got everything, check this out. So, make sure I got the chains. So I'm about to head up to the snow next week. So I just want to make sure I have everything. Make sure I have my reflective triangle. Make sure I got 3 of them. I'm gonna make sure they work properly too. So it looks like I got 8 chains. I got 2 more bags on the other side. So yeah, I got 2 in here and 2 in this bag. Brand new. I gotta cut this open. I don't have a box cutter on it. That brand spanking new. I ain't even touched rubber yet. Man, I'm glad I'm doing this now. Could you imagine me having to do this in the snow? Look in here and be like, oh no, I gotta untie these things right now? Brand new? I just would have sat on the side of the road. I'd have been like, yeah, I'll wait for it to clear up. My bad. Oh yeah, I could have done this on the. I mean, I would have had some box cutters, but you still, nah. So I gotta bring my tools with me when I go over the road. Since I'm new, man, I know the game. Been watching enough YouTube channels to know what to bring on the road with me. So let me finish this up, man. Look like I got I got 2 more bags. Got 3 bags on this side, 2 on the other. That tells me one thing. Either I got 1 extra set or I'm missing one. I'm gonna go with I'm missing one. So I'm gonna go to the mechanics tomorrow or today and tell them I need another one. Yeah. This one's looking like I got all the chains. You know, I got 2 bags used chains. The other bag didn't have the key. This one seems to have a key. So, and I got keys for the new ones. So I got 2 bags of the new ones on this side with the used one on this side. And I got 1 brand new bag on the other side with the used bag on the other side. So that means I'm missing a new bag. That's what that's telling me. I'm missing a new bag. So okay, I'm gonna go request me another set of chains. So by law I need 6. So, all right. That's what we do. Put these up. Man, can you imagine me having to untie them bags in the snow? Man, like I said before, man, I would have been like, dispatcher, I'm sorry. I'm stopping. Not putting the chains on. But I did it now. It all worked out. We good. I had to bust this open, man. If I was been, I'll say it again. If I was in the snow, I had to bust these out, man. These brand new bags. Oh man, I would have sat. Yeah, excuse me, Mr. Officer. I'm just gonna post here for the night. Just come and let me know when it's all good to move without these chains. When I make my stop, I'll bust them out. But I'm glad I did it now, though. That's preparation, man. Be prepared. It's a good example of being prepared. So, all right. Well, I'm still missing a set, and my dispatcher just told me he has some extra chains on the other side of the building that I can grab. So we all good. Yep. So we set. Grab 1 more bag and we good. Yep. So I got all my chains set 1 set. My dispatcher said he has another set for me, so that'll make 6 sets. And that's what all I need. That'll work. Then I'll be ready to go up north. Heading to Oregon next week. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a little snow. I'm gonna head up the I-5, all the way up. I don't know, what's y'all, if any of you guys go up north from Cali to Oregon, what's better, the 80 or the 5? I guess it depends on where the shipper is at. Well, not the shipper, but the receiving is at. But my map told me to take 5. So I'll probably end up taking 5. No biggie. But yeah, my chain, still got a couple more things from Walmart. And yeah, man, I think we set. You know, first trip in the work truck out of state. You know, let's see what it do. Just gotta be prepared, man. Check these chains. Gotta check these chains, man. Gotta make sure you're ready. So that's a check. Check the chains. Yeah. So I got them. It's all good. All right. Peace.
Chase the money, chase the money, chase the money.
Her ass out, she going places that you can't.